Today we'll be checking out these XXL storage boxes that were sent to me by the brand BROVIEW. As you can see here, I did put a couple of them together. I went ahead, stacked two of them up. This one right here, I'm gonna put together for you, show you exactly how it works. You can store your shoes in here, supplies, you can kind of stack these next to your desk if you want to, your work area, or just use them for storage wherever you want to. It's nice to see that they're very clear. They do have these magnetic tips on the top so that way you can shut it and it stays shut. But I'm gonna go ahead and build this thing up and I'll show you all those features nice and close. All right, so you're gonna watch me put this one together real quick. The top piece is gonna be the lid. It's gonna go on top eventually. And you're gonna pull that back piece up. This one is gonna be the front. Actually, it is swapped around. So this piece you're gonna know is gonna be the front because it pulls out like that. And then you're gonna pull those sides up as well. It is very easy to put together. It might take a couple seconds, but all you're doing is kind of lining up the sides and clicking them in all the way down. So you're gonna do that on both sides and on the front and the back. And it's gonna stay together just like that. So I did the first two. Might have to go back and push them in a little bit more, but I just wanna get that base all put together so that way it's easier to go ahead and tighten them up. So you can see here, it is pretty lined up. Actually did do a pretty good job, so I shouldn't have to adjust anything here. And then you're gonna do that lid part last. So just to start on the front, it does make it a little bit easier if you press from the bottom on the inside as well. So you can see that is working nice and easy. And we're gonna reach around, make sure those sides are all in, and this side looks like it's all good. Now we're gonna come to this side here and just apply a little bit of pressure, make sure the outer wall is hitting the area it's supposed to, just like that. So nice and easy to put in. I believe it is all clicked in now. So if I lift it up from the top, it is staying nice and sturdy there. And you can kind of hear it click in as well. So now it's all clicked in, definitely that is what worked. And I'm gonna show you how to stack these right now. So it comes with a couple of these twisty things right here, and that's how you're gonna actually stack them up and down and also side to side. So if you look in the back, I did put a couple of those in already, and now I'm just gonna show you how to do those front ones real quick. Let me go ahead and try to give you a good angle here. So all you're gonna do is line up those holes. You can see they're both lined up on each side, and then you put it in with this facing down like that, and then you do just twist it. So you can see that one is in. Now we're gonna go ahead and move to that right side, the bottom right corner here, give you a little closer look. So I'm gonna do the same thing, make sure the proper way is facing down, and then you simply just turn it like that and you get it locked in there. So that is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead, lift it up from the top here, make sure it is actually holding it together. So you're seeing me lift it only from the top, and you can see it is nice and sturdy. It's holding that base down really well. You can see this is very sturdy overall as well. If you were to stack some heavy shoes in here, you should be able to hold them up. Heavy supplies, it's not really moving from the top, which is what you want to see. Now I'm going to go ahead and stack them side to side as well. So you can see I have the top and bottom one stacked. This one is not yet fully stacked. I did go ahead and put the last one in, just make it quick and easy for you to see. So we're going to go ahead and look on that left side here. There is one spot in the back for you to put it into. I already did twist that one in. And then you do have two on the front right there as well. So you're gonna wanna open both latches on the front to make it a little bit easier. You're making sure these are lined up. You're putting this same side in, and then you're just gonna twist it on. So make sure it's pressed in, and then you twist it. So we got one in very quickly. And then we're gonna go down to the bottom one and do the same thing down there. And you can see it is nice and secure now. So if I go ahead and pull you back out for a second, let's take one more quick look here. You can see I'm pulling this one and it's pulling the whole thing, right? I'm pulling up and it's pulling the whole thing up. So very sturdy and secure, which is what you want for some storage boxes like these. Just give you one last big look here. And then we'll stand behind here and put a pair of shoes in that top side. So I do wear size 11 shoes. You can see these fit very comfortably in here. I believe it says it should fit up to size 14 shoes, which is amazing. And also it does come in multiple packs. So if you want a 1-pack, you can order a 1-pack. If you want a 6-pack, an 8-pack, a 12-pack, or a 16-pack, you can order those as well. So it varies in the amount that you can order. If you want to order more, you can. And as I said, size 14 the max, mine are size 11. You can see they fit beautifully. We'll go ahead and turn the side just so you can kind of see how it looks from the side as well. Still room at the top. You can definitely put a lot of supplies, office supplies, school supplies in there as well if you wanted it tacked as storage. And as I said, you can keep stacking up as high as you want to, really, as long as you feel comfortable with it. So here's what it looks like from the back. This is gonna be that last side. And then this is what it's gonna look like from the front. So really nice and easy to stack. And also it is amazing, you can actually fold them down when you're done using them as well for easy storage. So if you're looking for some nice XXL storage boxes like these, you can put your shoes in or whatever you really want to. Definitely recommend checking it out from the brand BROVIEW.